In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find password settings on HubSpot. Whether you're just getting started with HubSpot or need to quickly adjust your security settings, this guide will make the process straightforward and simple. First, let's begin by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. Open your web browser and type in the HubSpot website address, or simply search for HubSpot on your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the website's layout. This will make navigation easier as you proceed through different settings. Next, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Locate the login button, typically positioned at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, enter your credentials, your username and password to access your account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there's usually an option to reset it right on the login screen. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the HubSpot homepage. This is your central hub for accessing various tools and settings. From here, look towards the top right of the screen where your profile icon is located. Click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. Now from this drop-down menu, select Profile. This section allows you to manage personal information and account settings. After clicking Profile, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this page, you'll see a selection titled Profile and Preferences. Again, click on this to move forward. Navigating through these initial screens might feel repetitive, but each step is crucial for maintaining security and personalizing your HubSpot experience. Once you're on the Profile and Preferences page, you'll find various options related to your personal HubSpot settings. Here, you'll want to focus on the security section, which is typically used for managing your password and other security measures. Look for the security tab or link and click on it. In this section, you can review and change your password settings. It's always a good practice to ensure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters to make it challenging to guess. Consider setting up two-factor authentication if it's available, as this adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Now that you're familiar with where to find and manage your password settings on HubSpot, be sure to keep your details updated and secure, and there you have it, a quick and efficient way to access and adjust your password settings on HubSpot. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out via the comments section or HubSpot support. Until next time, happy exploring.